Hello friends. Welcome to our new video. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today I am going to tell you how to set up budget and history in the Play Store. So open the Play Store and tap on your profile. Now, scroll down and you will see an option called Payment and Subscriptions. Below that, you will find another option called Budget and History. Click on it. You will find another option called Budget and History. Click on it. You can view your ISOS. Tap on it. Now you can enter your budget for the month, for example, Rs 5,000. After entering it, just save it. I hope you will like the video. See you in the next one.